Have you ever wanted to finish a garment or a dress in 2 hours and you end up using the whole day to make that dress? This is the ordeal of almost every tailor. But then you can escape this. If you really want to know, follow me on this page, like this video, and let's get right into it. Now, number one thing you need to do in order to sew faster is to plan your sewing. You cannot run away from it. Plan your sewing. How do you plan your sewing? Sit down, get a pen and a paper, and write down what it is that you want to do on the garment, making sure that you understand the style, the design, and what is expected of you. Let's say you want to make a skirt. Ask yourself, what type of skirt do I want to make? Is it an A-line skirt? Is it a flared skirt? Or a gathered skirt? Understand the design. If possible, draw it out. Every tailor should know how to draw a design. Draw it out. Now, as you have drawn it out, plan the closure. Are you going to be using a zipper? Are you going to be using button? What exactly are you going to be using? Are you going to be using elastic? Are you just going to be fixing a band? What type of band are you going to be using? Right? Plan all of this very well. Now, the finishing, how is it going to be? Are you going to use lining to cover every part? Are you going to weave it? Are you using another thing to finish it? By the time you understand this, you've solved a major part of your problem. Now, write the step by step process of how you're going to do this. Which part of the sewing should come first? Are you going to fix the band before fixing the zipper? Or are you going to fix the zipper before fixing the band? Understand all of this. What color of thread are you going to be using? When you understand the process of what you're about to do, is it going to have a pocket also? What type of pocket are you using? Which is going to come first, right? So once you've done all of this, step by step, which is going to come, what type of sewing is going to come before the other, you've solved a major part of your problem. This is an example, right? So the next thing is to get to the table and start drafting your pattern or cutting on the fabric. Make sure to cut everything at once. If possible, iron every part at once, right? This is going to make your work easier. Make sure you have all the sewing materials in one place. All the threads that you're going to be using. The colors, are they handy? Your needle, is it handy? Is it the right needle? Your scissors, is it sharp? Put every material that is going to be going into the skirt in one place. Avoid the temptation of sewing and then you realize that you do not have the zipper. You start looking for where to buy zipper. The matching thread is not there. You start looking for where to get a matching thread. All of this can delay the work, right? So once you have every materials in place, you proceed to cutting. Now, as you're cutting, try to remember the things that you've done in the cutting. Do not rush the cutting. Take your time and look at what you're drafting or what you're marking. Is it what you really want? You've heard the phrase, measure twice, cut once. So it's better you analyze properly before cutting so you do not make mistakes. Avoid rushing. I hope this is taken. Now, the next thing that can frustrate is the sewing machine itself. Take your time and put your sewing machine in order. Maintain it, clean it, service it, oil it. Allow it for some time before you start sewing so that it can be properly be put in place so that it will not put you in trouble while you've started sewing. Okay? And then when you start sewing, by all means, if possible, maintain a maximum speed. This is for someone who already know how to sew. If you're a beginner, go slow. But if you're someone that already know you've got everything in place, you know what you want to do, go ahead and match the machine. Sew it like someone that have blood in his or her body. Okay? You realize that you make fewer mistakes as you concentrate all your mind and effort in what you're sewing than just being very slow. Now, ironing is inevitable. Make sure there is power supply. Put your ironing table close by, your iron itself close by so that you can quickly press whatever seam line that you've sewn. Like I said before, avoid thinking on the sewing machine. Avoid thinking what is it that you want to do next while on the sewing machine. You must have finished thinking before you start sewing. I hope you understand this. And then the general overseer of it all, avoid coming to TikTok as you're sewing. Concentrate on what you're sewing. It is very easy to come to TikTok, but it is very difficult to leave TikTok. So avoid coming to TikTok once you start sewing so that you can finish as fast as possible. I hope with these few points of mine, you can now begin to sew faster than you've always been sewing. My name is Justice, and I'll see you in my next video.